Keeper Security is one of the most trusted password managers on the market. But before you decide to buy it, there are a few important things you need to know. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be comparing it to some other leading competitors. And trust me, you'll want to hear what I have to say before making your final decision. Now, you can try Keeper Security completely free from the first link in the description below. Make sure to check that out to get exclusive benefits. But let's get right into it. First thing you need to know. Keeper Security offers top-notch security features. One of the standout aspects is its zero-knowledge architecture, which means even the company can't access your data. Compared to other password managers like Dashlane or LastPass, Keeper goes the extra mile with features like encrypted storage for files and documents, and its security audits are second to none. That extra layer of protection is something you don't always get with competitors. Next thing is ease of use. When it comes to managing your passwords, you want something that's both powerful and intuitive. Keeper's interface is clean and simple, making it easy to store and retrieve passwords. You'll also find its browser extension is easy to set up and works seamlessly across all devices, which makes it a great alternative to other password managers that can sometimes feel clunky. And if you ever run into trouble, the support is fantastic, with 24/7 access to their team. The third thing you need to consider is its pricing structure. Keeper Security offers flexible pricing, from individual plans to family and business options. While the pricing might seem slightly higher than some other password managers, you're paying for premium security and features that you can't get elsewhere. For a single user, it's comparable to what you'd pay for other high-end password managers, but the extra security features make it a worthwhile investment, especially for those serious about safeguarding their data. The fourth thing to keep in mind is its advanced features for businesses. While most password managers cater primarily to individual users, Keeper offers enterprise-level solutions that let you securely manage passwords across entire teams. This includes features like role-based access controls, secure file storage, and detailed reporting tools. If you're running a business, Keeper's team management tools set it apart from others like 1Password and LastPass, which aren't as robust in this area. Next thing you should know is about Keeper's biometric logins. You can use facial recognition or your fingerprint for faster, more secure access, which is great if you're always on the go. This is a feature that not all password managers offer, and it's especially useful if you need to access your passwords quickly without compromising security. On top of that, Keeper offers two-factor authentication, 2FA, which further enhances your account's security, something that, again, not all competitors integrate as smoothly. The sixth thing is that Keeper offers secure file storage. This is crucial if you're looking to store more than just passwords, things like documents, photos, or even sensitive files. Keeper allows you to securely store these files with AES 256-bit encryption, and you can easily access them from any device. Competitors like LastPass and Dashlane do offer this feature, but Keeper's encryption and accessibility are among the best in the business. Finally, while Keeper does come with an incredible suite of features, it's important to be aware that it might take a little time to fully learn the ins and outs of the software. If you're new to password managers or digital security, the learning curve might seem steep at first. However, with all the tutorials and customer support available, you'll quickly get the hang of it. Plus, once you're set up, you'll appreciate how seamlessly it integrates into your digital life. If you want to try out Keeper Security for yourself, be sure to click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get a free trial, but you'll also unlock exclusive benefits to help you get the most out of the software. So, to recap, Keeper Security offers top-notch security, a user-friendly interface, advanced features for businesses, and secure file storage. It might be a bit more expensive than some competitors, but it's well worth the investment, especially if you value premium security and ease of use. Don't forget to check out that free trial through the link below to get started today.